Welcome to Kwikset Halo Wi-Fi Keypad Smart Lock Unboxing. Quick Setup Guide. Exterior Keypad. Adapter Ring. Deadbolt Interior. Interior Cover. Interior Assembly. Battery Pack. Mounting Plate. Note that the mounting plate is assembled to the back of the interior assembly. Latch with round corner faceplate. 2 standard Kwikset keyway backup keys. Screws required for installation. Round corner strike. Screws for latch and strike. Screws for lock. Note the window security screw. Smart Key Learn tool. Smart Key Rekey instructions. Batteries are included. Installation and user guides in both English and Spanish. Drilling template. Regulatory compliance flyer. And that's all. It's time to unbox your Kwikset Halo Wi-Fi touchscreen smart lock.